Hello guys and welcome to Learn Tech. Today I am going to show you how to make a text-to-speech application in Visual Basic. So I upgraded my Visual Studio from 2010 to 2013. The download link is given in the description of this software. You can also download it from my website www.learn-tech.webstarts.com. The link is given in the description. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First, let's create a new project. Make sure it is Windows Forms application and rename it to text to speech or text to speech application. I learned how to make this text to speech application from a YouTube channel called Austin Tutorials, but I have made advanced one which also has the pausing feature. So suppose you are having an full chapterized textbook or storybook which has a lot of pages, and you want to convert that into audiobook and listen it, not read it, like a storyteller telling you the story of a book. So this contains the pause button. So if you are tired or you want to go and have a break, eat lunch or something, so you could just click the pause button and then resume it to listen to your audio. So first of all, let's set it up. Toolbox. Okay, all Windows Forms. So first thing what we're going to do is add a reference. So as it will speak out, we will need to add the reference system.speech. So what we'll do is click on project and click on add reference. Then after that it will load references. Till the time it loads all the references, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Now scroll down to system.speech and then take it. Click on OK. After that, let's design our form. So we're going to make a big form, okay, like this. Then obviously we'll rename it to text to speech. Now something is really good about this text to speech application, because it also says the punctuation mark. So it does not say comma and all. So if you have put a comma in between a sentence, it will pause and then do it. So it also has that feature. Now let's start. First we're going to need a text box. So scroll down in the toolbox and find the text box. Now you will think I should take a rich text box, but this is the best one. So what you'll do is click here and check multi-line. So now resize the text box like this. Next, we're going to need buttons. So scroll up and start, stop, pause, resume and exit. So we will have 5 buttons in our application. So there will be start, stop, pause and resume. Increase this a little bit and then select all the buttons. Then go to edit. Sorry, not edit. Wait, what is it? Select all the buttons. Okay, so next align it to the center. Like this. Okay. So good. Let's rename it. Start. Stop. Pause. Resume. And exit. But this doesn't look so attractive. So what we're going to do is this space which is left right here, we're going to fill it with some colors. So select the form, then go to forecolor, not forecolor, the background color, and then go there and select a color from here. So let's take this blue. Okay, so let's resize it to make it look even better. Okay, so this does look a little attractive. So now let's start with coding. Now double click on the start button. And now go here to the public class in front of that. Press enter 2 times. And then on the first part, write imports systems dot speech, and then imports dot speech dot my mistake. It's imports system dot speech dot synthesis, and then you go after the public class form 1 and then type dim speaker as new speech synthesizer. Okay. After that, the code for the start button will be speaker dot speak async, and then brackets. In that, what you'll write is text box 1 dot text. The stop code will be speaker dot speak async cancel all. The code for pause button will be speaker dot pause. Simple. Speaker dot pause. And then resume will be speaker dot resume. After that, exit button is the simplest code ever. So it is application dot exit. the code for each and every button, and this whole source code will be there in the description box. So if someone has a problem typing the code, you can obviously do it. Just make the design properly, and then just copy this code. Make the design as I told you, the same way I made the design and how I imported stuff and all. And just go and press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V to get the source code. But if you want to see the video and actually learn it, then please see the video carefully. So now, as you see, we've coded all the buttons. It's time for testing. Let's make sure there are no errors. Okay, there are no errors. We're going to just minimize this window. Okay, so let's type hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel. So let's start. It will take some time for the first time, but I'm sure it will speak. Press it a couple of times.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel.
See?
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel.
So now it's perfectly working. It's converted. Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel. Now let's add punctuations in it. So let's add an exclamation mark here and start.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe.
It gave
my
a
channel.
pause. It gave a pause. Okay, let's carefully again. Okay, when we remove the exclamation, it says,
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel.
oh sorry, PLEASE. And then when I put the exclamation mark, it says,
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel.
it pauses for a second. Now let's put a comma here. Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, comma, and please subscribe my channel.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech, and please subscribe my channel.
Let's remove this and no grammatical mistakes. And okay.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech. Please subscribe my channel.
Now let's put a full stop here. Press enter, and we are making a TTS application. So I just figured it out when I was testing this app. When you write TTS, it takes as the text to speech. So let's try it.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech. Please subscribe my channel. We are making the text-to-speech application.
You see, I written TTS, but it says text-to-speech application. So, but if you are confirming a personalized short form, then you have to do something else. Now, let's try something big, like we are making a TTS application. Thanks for watching. Sorry, WATCH, watching my video, and please share it with your friends. So yeah.
Hello, welcome to Learn Tech. Please subscribe my channel. We are making the text-to-speech application. Thanks for watching my video, and share it with your friends.
Okay, so it doesn't take short forms at PLEASE. So now let's test the pause and resume button. So let's start.
Hello, welcome to Learn.
I paused it and it stopped speaking. It said hello and welcome. And let's just use
Tech. Please subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe my channel. It said to please subscribe my channel. Now if it's working, it will start from we are making a text-to-speech application. So let's resume.
We are making the text-to-speech application. Thanks for watching my video and please share
It
it
worked.
with your
It
friends.
works very perfectly, the text-to-speech application. So everyone, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. And that's the exit button, and I'm sure it'll work. Exit, yes, it did. So let's open the Visual Studio app again, and now what we're going to do is build it into an application. So instead of .vhost application, we need an actual application. So we're going to do project, not project. We're going to just close this and click on save. So okay, see users, Kedar, documents, Visual Studio 2013 and projects. Okay, we need a directory for solution, and then text to speech, and then save. Please save. Okay, done. It will close in a second. Yeah, it did. Now what we're going to do is go to computers, documents, where the documents, then go to Visual Studio 2013, projects, text to speech. Now when you reach this folder, it's kind of tricky to find the application. Don't worry, do what I do, just keep pressing the folders on the top. So text to speech, bin, debug, and here's the application, text to speech.exe. Don't press on text to speech.vhost.exe, press only this. So you have it, the application is with you. So thanks for your support.
Thanks for your support.
Thanks for support. So leave the like button and please comment in this video what video you want next. If you want any technical support, feel free to comment down in the comment box. And if you want to download the text-to-speech application, the link will be given in the description. Make sure you download the text-to-speech version 2.0 in my website, because the first version does not contain pause and resume buttons. The second version does contain the pause and resume buttons. So thanks for watching my video. Learn Tech signing out.